This is Dr. Abhirami going to present a video on marginal costing. In this presentation, I am going to explain you how to calculate PV ratio, break-even point, profit, margin of safety and volume of sales when required profit is given. Let us refer a question for it. In this question, the fixed cost, variable cost and total sales are given. In addition to, they also ask to find out the volume of sales to earn a profit of Rs 6,000. Now let us see how to calculate the first one. Prepare a statement of profit, which is otherwise called as contribution statement or marginal cost statement. In this, we are going to subtract the variable cost from the total sales. That gives us contribution. Again, from the contribution, we are going to subtract fixed cost, which provides us profit. Therefore, we have easily calculated the profit by using this statement of profit. Next comes PV ratio. For this, we are going to use a formula. Contribution divided by sales into 100. We have just calculated contribution in the last slide. In this statement, we have calculated the contribution. By using this amount, we are going to calculate PV ratio. The contribution is 7,500 and the total sales amounting to Rs 15,000. When we divide these two and multiply with 100, that gives you 50% PV ratio. Next comes break-even sales. For this, we are going to again calculate with a formula, which is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Fixed cost is amounting to Rs 4,500, which was given in the question, and the PV ratio just we have derived 50%. By dividing this 2 and multiplying with 100, we'll get Rs 9,000, which is a break-even sales. Next comes calculating margin of safety. By using this formula, sales minus break-even sales, we derive the margin of safety. Total sales Rs 15,000 minus break-even sales Rs 9,000 gives us, which is a margin of safety of Rs 6,000. Finally, we are going to calculate the required sales for the required profit. The formula for this is fixed cost plus required profit divided by PV ratio. The fixed cost is Rs 4,500 and the required profit is also mentioned in the question itself, that is Rs 6,000. When we add these two things and divide by PV ratio 50%, we will get the required sales in amount. Here comes Rs 21,000. That's it. I hope you all would find it easy. Thank you.